In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable WebGL 2 in Google Chrome. WebGL 2 is enabled by default in modern versions of Chrome, but I'll also show you how to check that it's working if a website requires it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the address bar, type Chrome, GPU, and press Enter. Scroll down to the Graphics Feature Status section and look for WebGL and WebGL 2. If both show hardware accelerated, WebGL 2 is already enabled and ready to use. If WebGL is disabled or unavailable, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click System. Turn on Use Graphics Acceleration when available, then click Relaunch to restart Chrome. After Chrome restarts, return to Chrome, GPU, and check the Graphics Feature Status section again to confirm that WebGL and WebGL 2 are hardware accelerated. If WebGL 2 is still unavailable, update Google Chrome to the latest version and make sure your computer's graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can prevent hardware acceleration from working correctly. That's how to enable and verify WebGL 2 in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.